Hello guys, Nipple Times here, welcome to a new video, and as you can see today I'm joined by Angel.
Hello!
And yes, we're in the situations that we are, that's why we're wearing masks, because in the studio it's not possible to keep the safety distance, so every time you can't keep it, you should wear a mask. But today we have a very exciting video, don't we? Because we have here a box.
A mystery box.
Wanna explain what it is?
Well, this is two bands, the bands from the Pride of this year. And well, he told me this Monday, 2 days ago, that Apple launched these bands. And when I saw them, I literally bought them immediately, without hesitation. And
literally, I sent him a screenshot and his answer was a screenshot of
the payment, Now,
okay, so let's open it.
Yeah, this box has, this is the shipment box, which has a easy open pull tab, like many of the accessories from Apple. So we pull this off, pull this off, and now let's see. Wow, they are
important.
They are black.
You have to.
What the?
Yeah, it comes out all this.
Oh yeah.
We can get rid of this.
Well, one of them is black and the other one is white.
Because the black one is Nike edition.
Oh.
And it's black.
So to free this, you have to pull these tabs, and now you can take the bands. So here we are, both of them.
Okay, so we're back. We had a little interruption, and we have the two bands here. As we said, this one is Nike edition and this one is regular. That's why this box is black and that one is white. And I have to say I really like this one. I said it in my previous video.
Yeah, it's really original. I mean, I really like this one, but this is really different from what I have seen in bands for the Apple Watch.
So yeah, let's open it. Which one do you want to start with?
Oof, I don't know. You choose.
This one.
Okay, let's see. Funny thing, in the back of the box, you can see that it is printed some text with the colors of the Pride flag.
The same one
here.
The other one.
Yeah, the same for that. Funny thing. Okay.
So
without further ado, let's start. You have this tab as with all the Apple accessories. So let's see. Yeah, really satisfying. And you have to open this box and then take the content. And now,
time for the big reveal.
Yeah.
Instructions and
wow, really cool.
It is very nice.
Yeah, I really like it. Yeah.
Very nice. So the unboxing experience is pretty much the same as with any other band, like the Nike sports band.
It's funny because here you have printed the colors of the band, and that does not apply to the other drawings.
Because this one shows actually something that we will show later, that is that there are matching watch faces in watchOS 6.2.5 for these bands. So that's why it's printed here. I'm imagining we will get this face in this band, which is the matching one.
Interesting. So I have to take the small one because my neck is really tiny. So
wrist.
Thank you. So let's see.
Well, yeah.
Before I take this off, this is the band from last year's Pride edition.
2019. We also unboxed it here in the channel, so if you want you can see it here.
Somewhere in the screen. Let's start. We have to take this off, as with all the sports band of the Apple Watch. And now this one. I'm going to keep this because this is the large one. Size. And now I'm going to keep this. And now I'm going to This is going to be an odyssey.
No, it would be easy. This
No.
part on top.
Do you remember
I remember.
how long
I remember.
it took for me to... Well, you can tell. Now.
That
This-
one on the bottom. Always.
Okay. I'm not sure. Yeah.
And that one on the top.
And now...
So on the back it is grey.
And now...
And we actually have the... It says Pride 2020 here.
Yeah. And now, the moment of truth.
So
Okay.
there it is.
I really like it.
It does look very nice.
Yeah. And now I have to change my face to the one from this year.
As I said in my iOS 13.5 video, there are more watch faces for Pride this year, including the one that's actually featured in this box that we showed before. However, they don't seem to work as of right now, so I'm guessing it will be fixed very soon. But as the time of recording this video, for some reason it doesn't work and it doesn't
No.
show on the Apple Watch.
What a shame.
Okay, so time to open the second one. We'll leave this here.
Yeah. It is really similar to this one,
Mhm.
but with different materials. As
Mm.
this is the sports one with
Silicone?
yeah, a kind of silicone, and this is nylon. So well,
Also, I think the colors on this one are a little bit more muted,
yeah,
like not as vibrant
they are
as
more
this.
dim
But-
than in this
but
one.
Let's open it and see.
Dimmer, that's the word. So,
Same opening process as before,
same tab,
which you don't seem to be used to yet.
and another one. Ooh, in this case, you have the colors in all the bands inside the printing.
Ah, no, I know what happened before. So before it was showing, so this shows the back part of the band, and the back part of this band is grey. It's not with
Really?
the colors. Mm.
Oh, that's true.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So yeah, Apple does pay
Really
attention
smart.
to detail, a lot
Really
of
smart.
attention to detail.
Yeah. Wow.
Mm.
I really love this. I really love this.
It is very
And
nice.
this is a funny thing. In this band, if you can, I think you will notice, these ondulations and imperfections, they are unique to each band.
Oh,
So you can say that each band of this kind is unique.
I did not know that.
Yeah.
You can really tell that this one, for example, here there are some imperfections.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. That's very cool.
Yeah, that's why I really like this band, because it is certainly unique. There will be only one band like this in the world.
And it's here right now.
Yeah, so well, let's proceed.
Actually, we're gonna put this one in my watch just so we can show the two bands at the same time.
Okay.
So I'm gonna start. And how cool does it look
Wow.
with a watch face?
Yeah,
This
it
is very nice.
really cool.
Yeah, I really like it.
I mean, I'm going to use these bands like forever. And each year they improve the design, because the first 2 years I don't hate them, but I don't like them.
No,
I
they're
don't
not
like
as
them
nice.
either. But these 2 last years, the bands are really cool, and
This
I really
looks
like it.
very nice.
Yeah.
I like it a lot this time too. I didn't think I liked it that much.
You can buy them.
I really, yeah, I can.
Now, I don't know when I'm going to wear which band, because now I have 3 Pride bands. I think I'm going to wear this when... this will be my daily driver band, and for some occasions I will wear this.
Okay, so as you can see, we now have our new bands
Yeah.
and watch faces for Pride 2020. And yeah, what do you think about these bands? Do you like it? Which one of the two is your favorite? Let us know in the comments down below. And yeah, thank you very much for coming here and for
You're welcome.
coming.
Thank you to show me these really cool bands, because if you didn't tell me, I wouldn't have bought them.
You're welcome. I'm happy to be the one that makes you spend all the money in Apple products. But
I hate you.
we actually will be recording more videos soon, including a comparison between the 16-inch and the 15-inch MacBook Pro, the 2019 edition. So if you don't want to miss it, don't forget to subscribe down below. And if you like this video, thumbs up.
He was also the culprit of the
I really was.
Yeah.
That's why
Yeah.
I remembered.
2,300 euros. Ouch.
But yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye guys.